Today we're going to be working with the world's quietest vocalist. It's me. You might have noticed that some of your microphones require more gain than others to be usable. I'm looking directly in your eyes, you soulless SM7B. And when you gain those microphones up, the noise floor is so high, it's just noisy and you don't want to use it anyway. That's why today we're looking at an often overlooked but completely necessary little product, the Cloudlifter. The Cloudlifter is a single channel mic activator that provides up to 25 decibels of ultra clean gain to enhance the performance and clarity of your dynamic, ribbon, or tube microphones. Basically, this makes your low output mics louder without introducing unwanted noise. Today we're gonna show you how this little guy works, and we're gonna record a short song both with and without the Cloudlifter so you can hear the difference and see how easy it is to use. Okay, we're getting our Cloudlifter set up. Today we're gonna be recording vocals with a Shure SM7B. I have a lot of experience using this microphone from my days as the program director of a boutique rock and roll music school. We do a lot of demos with this, students recording their own original songs, and I would go directly into, I think I was using a Focusrite back then, the 18i20. To get it to even register the student's voice, I would have to turn this all the way up to 10, and then it would be super noisy. So a low gain mic like this, without a Cloudlifter and without any outboard gear, is not a good situation. And I should have just bought one of these a long time ago. Now I have a few. But this is a beautiful blue one. All you need is one extra XLR. One side goes to your interface, the other side goes to your microphone. It needs phantom power, but it protects ribbon mics from getting damaged from phantom power. That's it. All right, we're plugging in our non-Cloud-lifted channel. So we're going straight from our M-Track Duo into the SM7, and we're gonna record a quick version of my favorite song this week,
Die Young by Kesha.
And I think you're gonna love it. Okay, so I should be recording like everything through here. Check, 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 yes. Check, check. Okay, so you probably heard that like intense noise floor jump when I finally got this mic up to a usable level. Yeah. You're hearing the AC, I guess, and all the thoughts of the world. Check, check, 1, 2, yep. Whoa, holy shit. Check, check, 1, 2. How's that? I think it's fine. Should we get a take of the song?
I hear your heartbeat to the beat of the drums. Oh, what a shame that you came here with someone. Now you're here in my arms. Let's make the most of the night like we're gonna die young. We're gonna die young.
Okay, we don't have the crazy background noise. It doesn't have to go into like crazy Gainesville. I don't know enough about the tech here, but there's like some breaking point of turning the gain up on an interface where you hit a point and like all hell breaks loose. Check, check. Whoa. And you're just hearing like so much crazy background noise, and I don't know if it's the gain floor of the interface or the microphone, or if it's just like picking up the air conditioning or what, but it went crazy. Using the Cloudlift, that doesn't happen. It seemed like it was cleaner. Everything felt a lot more under control, and I appreciate that.
I hear your heartbeat to the beat of the drums. Oh, what a shame that you came here with someone.
Yeah, the non-Cloudlifted is a lot fuzzier. Singing a little quieter, but there is a clarity to the Cloudlifted one that is like immediately noticeable. There's just like hair and fuzz, and I'm sure that has to do with just the gain being cranked so much higher that it's like dirty once you get there. I'm sure on like an analog board, if that's something you're going for, or it's a board that is nice to crank and it's like a gain that's pleasing to the ear, that's cool. But certainly with a small digital interface, cranking up the gain to where you're peaking is not gonna be a nice sound. And like you don't want that in your recordings. So yeah, this is cool. It's gonna make your vocal tracking sound better for sure. I would definitely recommend this to anybody. Maybe you have an SM7 or you have an older generation Focusrite Scarlett or an M Audio. You don't want to spend a lot of money upgrading your whole system, but you want to get more out of the gear you already have. This is a really great, affordable way to do that. I definitely recommend it. It's something everybody should have around. Works on a lot of microphones, and it's gonna make you sound better for not a ton of cash, I think it's a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up a Cloudlifter, make sure to check the link below. We get all our gear at Sweetwater. We love them, and I love my man, Justin Sunday. If you're interested in learning the guitar, check us out on Patreon. We got new videos every week. Exercises, lessons, music theory, all that good stuff is over there. If you're interested in learning, that's the place to be. If you like this video, please make YouTube aware of that. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications. Let's be friends.